agriculture is the cornerstone of human civilization. However, the excessive use of chemical pesticides and fertilizers has led to soil degradation, ecological damage, and threats to food security. From rice fields to orchards, small-scale farmers are the first to be affected, and the management of large-scale plantations is becoming increasingly difficult. But this crisis also holds an opportunity for change. Standardized, environmentally friendly smart agriculture is the solution. With the assistance of cutting-edge artificial intelligence technology, Feiniao Smart Agriculture is making sustainable production a reality, starting today. 1. Standardized risk alerts and ecological protection. We have built a multi-layered sensing network integrating satellites, drones, and ground stations. This network delivers weather forecasts with meter-level precision. More critically, our AI integrates the knowledge of top experts to create a phenological risk atlas for crops. This allows us to accurately predict weather-related risks up to 15 days in advance and generate ecological protection prescriptions. 2. Standardized resource management for efficiency and sustainability. Leveraging a massive stream of remote sensing data, our intelligent hub analyzes farmland needs in real time. It precisely dispatches agricultural supplies, machinery tasks, and labor. In our pilot zones, this has boosted response efficiency by 300% and eliminated labor idle rates, leading to lower costs, higher efficiency, and a greener footprint. 3. Standardized closed-loop operations for cost savings, efficiency, and ecological care. Drones act as flying doctors, conducting daily patrols around the clock. They capture millimeter-level growth signals, and through our AI growth model, they detect pests, diseases, and growth anomalies. The system then generates dynamic 3D prescription maps for agronomic tasks and tracks their execution in real time. The result is more precise operations, a 35% reduction in pesticide use, a 20% increase in yield per acre, and healthier soil. 4. A standardized traceability chain to build trust through transparency. Using remote sensing, we predict yields 60 days in advance to align production with sales. Our cloud farm offers one-click traceability, building consumer trust to secure a 15% price premium and create a sustainable, intelligent value chain. Expanding from China to ASEAN, Feiniao's standardized ecological model empowers over 10,000 farmers and protects 20,000 hectares of land across 27 crop varieties. We are charting a global blueprint for sustainable agriculture, a new benchmark praised by CCTV. Let's harness technology to nourish the soil, making every harvest a tribute to our planet.